Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm playing a Paul Reed Smith Dave Navarro Signature Custom 24 through a Marshall Vintage Modern amplifier, and we're going to be checking out the Fox pedal Magnifica Reverb. You know, a lot of people, this is a pretty new company, so people have been wondering, what does the Fox say? Well, let's check it out. The Fox pedal Magnifica is a pretty rad pedal. I'm a big fan of it, and not only does it sound really good, but for the price, it's pretty hard to beat by any other reverb. It's pretty simple. You've just got your feedback level, which is adjusting how long the reverb's going to run out for, similar to the way a delay pedal functions. You've got the amount of reverb that there is, whether you want that sort of hallway reverb or the huge canyon-like reverb, and then you've just got a tone knob that can really dial in exactly what you want. As far as reverbs go, this is definitely the verb, and if you're a girl, it could be a good she-verb, so pick it up.